Hey guys, it's Keisha, Side Hustle Keisha here. Welcome back to my YouTube page. Welcome back to my Facebook page. Hopefully you guys are subscribed to my YouTube page. It's Side Hustle Keisha. And on this channel, I'm going to tell you all about opportunities that you can work from home. I'm also going to share opportunities, great, amazing, regular, full-time work from home opportunities where you can make anywhere from $50,000 to $150,000 a year, anywhere from $15 to $35 an hour. I'm going to also share opportunities that you can just do as little side hustles. You want a little extra money, you want to pay for some of your kids' uniforms, you want to get some of your girlfriends together and do things on the side to make some money. I'm going to share those opportunities with you as well. So you'll find work from home opportunities, part-time, full-time. You'll also find careers, okay, that you can work from home. You can work from home and make great, amazing money. I think a lot of people don't know how many work from home opportunities out there, but if you're just looking for a little side hustle, a little way to make some extra money online, I'm going to bring you that too. And every now and then I'll share opportunities where you can get out the house and meet some new people and make some money at the same time. So stay connected. Make sure you hit subscribe, hit that notification button so every time I upload a video, okay, you're notified, okay? So let's jump right into it. This is a full-time job, okay? And they have opportunities from Hawaii to Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. They have some amazing opportunities. And the company's called Liberty Mutual, okay? Liberty Mutual has a great work from home option for you, for those of you who don't know, ranging from sales to an analyst position. So make sure you go to their website and check it out. But there's one that I want to share with you. It's a casualty claims resolution specialist. It's an attorney represented, okay? So listen, this you can definitely advance your career at Liberty Mutual. You'll be managing, investigating, and resolving claims. Assist with providing prompt and quality service to policyholders for moderate severity, and complex claims. You'll be managing and investigating these things. Identify potential suspicious claims and refer to SIU, and identifies opportunities for third parties. Prepares for and attends trials, hearings, and conferences, and reports to home office and local management and status. You confers with trial counsel and prepares trial reports. So this is a great opportunity if you're looking for a casualty specialist. I'm just going to tell you quickly that this opportunity this will range in a pay range salary from $54,000 to $84,000, okay? So this is a casualty claims resolution specialist, okay? So this pay range will be from $54,000 to $84,000. It's a great opportunity. Here's what it says at the bottom, you guys. You'll communicate with the policyholders, witnesses, claimants in order to gather information regarding claims, refers tasks to auxiliary resources as necessary, and advises as to proper course of action, respond to various written and telephone inquiries, including status reports, ensures adequacy of reserves, recommend reserves increases on cases in excess of authority, okay? Your accountability for security, financial processing of claims, as well as security information contained in claim file, update files, and provides comprehensive reports as required. So these are going to be some of your responsibilities, but listen, this job offers it's a full-time job. This role offers flexible work options such as work from home days and compressed work week schedules. So it sounds like Liberty Mutual is super flexible. And just so you guys know, this position ranges from $54,000 to $84,000. I want to tell you, I did see a lot of sales reps, inside sales, outside sales, out in the field sales positions that have work from home and flexible opportunities. So you jump over to Liberty Mutual. I'll have the link below in the description box, okay? In the description box will be the link to Liberty Mutual, and you can go on here and just type in work from home. I even saw things in Dallas, California, Hawaii, Pennsylvania. So check out Liberty Mutual. They have a great array of opportunities, and they sound like they have a flexible work schedule. So if you're looking to work in the office, they have that as well, but they have also an option for you to work from home and have a flexible schedule. You guys make sure you guys stay connected. Make sure if you're looking for passive income opportunity, if you're looking for ways to wake up in the morning and you have notifications on your phone that you've made $100, $200, even $1,000, I want you to click the link below. That's my passive income opportunity opportunity. Check it out. Let me know what you think. Also, if you try or apply for any opportunities on this channel, I want you to come back, drop a comment below, tell me what your experience was. If you get the job, let's celebrate together. Cheers to you, okay? Make sure you guys stay connected. Hit that notification button so every time I upload a video, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for joining me here at Side Hustle Keisha, and make sure you guys join my new group. My new group is where side hustles and entrepreneurs collide. On this channel, on that page, it's on my Facebook page, we'll be talking about all options to help you excel as an entrepreneur, as a side hustler, as a work from home mom. We'll be motivating. We'll be encouraging you, helping you, training you, giving you tips, leading and guiding you to success on this channel, giving you and laying a blueprint so you can succeed, laying a blueprint so you don't give up. I want you guys to check out this page on Facebook. It's where entrepreneurs, where side hustlers and entrepreneurs collide. You guys, when we collide, you know we can make a lot of things happen. And we'll also be setting up an opportunity to network once a quarter, starting the new year. So guys, stay connected, okay? Follow me on all social media handles, Keisha L. Owens, Side Hustle Keisha. I want to see you there. Drop a comment below. Let me know what you think. You guys have a great day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.